them at Manchester City, you have to approach them defensively, firm, and tackle every ball. This man go to Manchester City with the team that they drew the last 3 games, barring Zinchenko in the second game, but they still basically the same 11. You have a team, the same 11 you could have won that game, but with a little bit of tweak. Like the first goal, if you wasn't so tight on Haaland's ass, if you weren't so tight on Haaland's ass, Haaland wouldn't have controlled the ball, turn and play a perfect pass over De Bruyne. You were on Haaland's ass every second of the day playing man marking. How can you be effective in that game when you hold on for Haaland and left so much space around him? This is Manchester City we're talking about here. We're not talking about one man Ivan Toney or one man Marcus Rashford in Manchester United. We're talking about Manchester City, and all 11 of them can score.